Welcome to Digital Fusion, where dreams come true. A place of inspiration, created just for you.
I created this song using AI tools. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you an incredible way to create amazing songs using a free AI song and music generator. This remarkable tool has the ability to generate music, vocals, lyrics, and videos with just a single click. It covers a wide range of music genres, including pop, hip-hop, cafe, and rock. You can find the link in the description below this video. To get started, simply visit the SongR website and click on the Try SongR app now button to open the AI song generator page. If you have your own lyrics or would like to utilize ChatGPT to create your song lyrics, you can click on that I have my own lyrics button and paste your lyrics there. Alternatively, if you prefer the AI tool to generate the lyrics for you, just enter your prompt in the designated bar and click the Generate button to commence the song lyric generation process. If you find yourself unsatisfied with the lyrics, you can easily regenerate them by clicking the Try Again button. This incredible AI tool provides us with two exceptional AI vocalists for our songs. In this particular example, we'll be using Emily's voice. Once you have the perfect set of lyrics, click on Render to begin the process of generating your song. Here are the results.
Let's all go dancing in the moonlight. We'll dance the night away. There's no need for words when we're swaying to the music.
To download the video and audio files, simply click on the Download button. Now, let's create a captivating hip-hop song using a male AI singer. Here are the astonishing results.
Streets on fire, all the tires squeal. Cops are getting caught, people start to scatter. Windows are getting broken. The looters start to pour in.
Moving forward, let's dive into the creation of a heartfelt love song, accompanied by soothing cafe-style music. Here are the results.
Melodies of the morning brew bring joy and happiness anew. Just like the birds that sing, these tunes will make your heart take wing.
Lastly, let's generate a dynamic rock-style music song. Here are the amazing results.
Rock and roll is in my blood, running through my veins. Can't keep me away from the stage. I was born to rock, never gonna stop.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more related videos like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
A place of inspiration, created just for you. With gratitude in my heart, I stand here with pride. Blessed by your presence, by my side. With every view and comment, my heart feels so blessed. Your support and encouragement put my doubts to rest. I'm grateful for your loyalty, like a precious treasure. Join Digital Fusion. Let's make memories without measure. With every share and subscribe, our family grows. Together we'll inspire and conquer new highs and lows. I'm blessed to have you here, my viewers dear. Embrace Digital Fusion. Let's make our vision clear. Together we'll explore in this digital resort. Thank you for being here. I'm humbled by your love, it means the world to me.